You all done? Honey, can you catch that and see if
Oh, yeah. Claire, you're pretty messy.
I'm done.
You all done?
All done?
Look at her face.
Yeah.
Done. Looks like you're still having fun though.
Do you want any more peas?
She ate all that ravioli.
Wow.
All done?
I'm done.
All done? Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See ya. See ya. Huh. Do you like that fork and spoon? Do you like that? Look how messy you are. You even have it in your hair. Next
Go
to
to
your
bathtub tonight.
Are you all done for real? Okay, I think she's all done. Oh no!
Yep,
Okay,
there it
time to
goes.
clean up.